Excuse me, those are my fries.
I have plants in my windowsill.
What are you doing?
What'd you do with my plants?
Do you like fries? They're probably kind of hot. I know somebody who wants fries more than you do.
I had 6 dining room chairs at my table. I came home one day.
He's jealous.
All of them